Hi guys, it's Miss Lyon here. Welcome to your first e-learning assignment in 7th grade. I know that these first few assignments may not feel super comfortable. We'll be working on Canvas skills in class, so we'll be pros at it in no time. But I wanted to make this video for you just to show you what you're supposed to be doing for your first e-learning assignment, and also just generally what does Canvas look like and how we're going to get into it. So let's go ahead and look at it. The first thing that you're going to want to do as you go to find your e-learning assignment is you want to go to elkhart.instructure.com. So you just go to your internet, it could be Safari or Google Chrome, then you type in elkhart.instructure.com and it'll take you to the login page. It's important that you type in elkhart.instructure.com because each school has their own Canvas login, and so if you just type in Canvas and try and log in, you will not be able to get into Canvas at all. So elkhart.instructure.com, you'll hit login, and then it will pop up with your courses. If you don't see social studies or another class, you can go to courses and then click all courses, and they'll pop up, and you'll just want to find it and then hit the little star next to it, and then it'll pop up on your dashboard. But once it's on your dashboard, you'll go into social studies. If you're honors, it'll say either honors or have a little H next to the 7. And if you're in just a regular social studies class, it'll just say social studies 7A. Just make sure it says S1 because that stands for semester 1. You'll click on it and then it will open up the page. You'll see lots of things that we're going to be working on in this first week here, but what you want to be working on at the beginning of this week is this assignment that says Monday, Tuesday, Getting to Know You survey. So pausing right here, if you are an A-Day student, you're going to be doing this on Tuesday the 18th. If you are a B-Day student, you are going to be doing this assignment on Monday the 17th. But the assignment is called Monday, Tuesday, Getting to Know You survey. You just click on it. And then we read the directions and they say, please complete the following Google forms so that you can tell me some information about you, which will help me to better serve you this year and get to know you a little better. Our year together is going to be full of learning and great memories. I can't wait to get this year started. And then it says, click here to start the questionnaire. You just click on the blue here and it will bring up a Google form. So you're going to put your first and last name. And then you're going to tell me what you like to be called in class, because I know some people have nicknames or they go by their middle name or something different. So let me know. And then just tell me a little bit about your story, your summer, a story from your summer. Tell me what your favorite color is, what your favorite book or movie is. Do you have any brothers or sisters? If yes, how many? Are they older or younger? Tell me a little bit about them. What is your birthday? Do you have any kind of sports camps, clubs, other things you're involved in? What are you passionate about? What do you love? What is something that you want your teacher, me, to know about you? A fun fact about you. And then tell me what's your favorite way to learn. And you just click your favorite way to learn. And then you're just going to finish the sentence, in order to learn, I need. Finish the next sentence that says, I want a teacher who is. And then last but not least, what does the word respect mean to you, and what do you need to feel respected? So this is a great assignment for me to get to know you. These answers will not be seen by anybody but me. So it's just really important for me to get to know you guys. We don't have a ton of time together in person, so this is a great way for me to get to know you even outside of class, and then we can build upon that when we see each other in person. When you've got it all answered, you click submit and it will send your answers to me and you'll be all good to go. So we're looking at Canvas. When you show up to that first page, it's under Core Concepts Get to Know You, week of August 17th. It's this first assignment called Monday, Tuesday, Getting to Know You survey. You click on it and then you click the link that says here and then you hit submit when you are finished. Alrighty guys, if you have questions or concerns, feel free to send me an email. I'll be trying to reach out to B-Day students on Monday at some point during the day via your school email. I cannot wait to see you guys in class. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.